Boys, I cannot believe I'm saying it, but it's finally here. I'm telling you right now, what you're seeing in my hands has just changed crypto forever. Now, if you've been following me for the better part of 2 years at least, you've been hearing me talk about an app, and this is the app. And when I tell you this app is going to make millionaires, I mean it. And it's not because, we're telling you things are going to go up or go down. It's because you can actually, for the first time in history, follow what the whales are doing. So when a whale buys XRP or a whale buys Bitcoin, you can get alerted and you can do the exact same thing as them. When a whale sells XRP or they prepare for a massive dump, you can get alerted before that dump actually happens. Now, this app is called Market Mirror. Now, this is, I don't even know the words to describe this app, but it literally is the all-in-one crypto platform. It does everything you could possibly imagine. And we launched, I guess soft-launched a couple days ago, and we're already trending on the App Store. That's just crazy, bro. And it's all been word of mouth. But as you can see on the app, you could literally do everything. We have our own built-in AI where you could literally ask it whatever you want. Hey, Orca, should I worry about this market right now? And unlike ChatGPT or some of that dumb shit, it actually pulls from our data and gives you an actual example on what's happening in the market. Like, for example, it says, honestly, I'm not panic worried, but staying alert. And then it gives you the picture on what's happening with Bitcoin or whatever coin you ask it about. Not only that, you can see what every whale is doing in real time. So here's a whale buying $1 million of Doge. And there's another million of Bitcoin, another million of Bitcoin, another million of Bitcoin, and it keeps going. You could literally do everything and see exactly what's happening with the whales before it actually happens. So for example, this was a potential sell for $1 million worth of Bitcoin. And if you look at the receiver portfolio, you'll see that there's no money in there, meaning that he sold that Bitcoin. But if you go to something like, I don't know, this transaction on Doge, let's go see where this money is flowing. You can see that this man is loading up on a fuck ton of Dogecoin, $54 million. And not only that, you can see every single transaction that he sent and all the whales connected to this whale wallet. And I could keep going about this. It's an insane feature in itself. But you got whale wallets, you can see like Tesla, Satoshi, you got your calculator. You have liquidation tabs so you can see in real time whale trades. So for example, the last 24 hours, there's been 7.5 billion buys and 8.1 billion sells, shows you what the whales are doing. You got more whale positions here. You got liquidation max pain telling you where the price is likely to move. You got your liquidation maps. You guys know if you've been following, my favorite shit ever. Market memory, which is literally one of a kind. You've never seen this shit. It tells you like the zone that Bitcoin's in based on the level strategy and if it's likely to break down or bounce. You got market replay, which gives you a replay on the market for the last 12 hours. You got your macro calendar, which tells you the in real time high risk news events that are coming up. And honestly, there's a couple coming here in a minute. And as you can see, so much more shit. And not only that, we have a retail sentiment. Oh, dude. Like, bro, we got everything on this bitch. You can literally see exactly what retail is thinking in real time. And the fucking chef's kiss, okay? Just listen. We made our own Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp, ours inside the community tab. Oh my God. Telegram group, Discord chats, whatever it is, we got it on here. I mean, it is literally insane. And not only that, we also have courses, which is honestly some of the best education you're gonna get, where we literally break down in real time and show you how to use everything. It's honestly the all-in-one crypto platform. Now, I just scratched the surface of what this app is. As you can see, there's a ton that we offer in terms of widgets on all the tabs. Like, there is literally dozens and dozens and dozens of trading features. So I encourage you, download Market Mirror on the App Store. At the time of this video, I don't know if it's on the Android store. I will update it in the description if it is. We're waiting on approval from these slow-ass motherfuckers, but you've never seen anything like this. And the reviews have been staggering. You guys have loved this shit. And for a V1 product, I could not be more happy. This is only the beginning of Market Mirror, and I'm about to take this shit to levels you've never seen in your fucking life. When I tell you I'm taking this far, I don't think you understand. Like, my vision with this is so beyond what we have here. Like, I just have so many ideas, and I'm gonna make it happen one way or another. We got a great team. We got great supporters like you, and thank you so much for being along the journey with me. If you follow for XRP or crypto content, or you just like what we post here, this is a massive step that we've never taken before, and I'd be lying to you if I wasn't just giddy, right? Like, I'm just so happy, and I got the best supporters in the world. You guys mean the world to me. We've came a long way in 5 years, and we got a hell of a 5 years coming up. So yeah, go download Market Mirror, check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. You gotta go become a whale, man. What the fuck? If you want to be a whale, you got to become the whale. I gotta say shit. It sells itself.